Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from lost leads with HubSpot, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To recover from lost leads in HubSpot, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to your contacts dashboard. Use the filters to narrow down the list of contacts. Select the lead status filter to identify lost leads. Analyze the reasons behind the lost status by checking notes and engagement history. Make a note of any specific concerns or events that contributed to the lead's decline. Next, create a re-engagement campaign to reach out to these leads. Craft a personalized email that addresses their past concerns. Include a value proposition that showcases your product or service's latest benefits. Schedule this email for optimal delivery times to increase open rates. Follow up with a phone call if possible, reinforcing your email message. Utilize HubSpot's tracking tools to monitor engagement with your emails. Review any responses to refine your approach in future attempts. Consider segmenting these leads into a dedicated list for targeted campaigns. Establish a regular follow-up schedule to stay engaged with your leads. Continuously analyze the data to improve your recovery strategies. Leverage HubSpot's reporting tools to assess the effectiveness of your outreach. Make necessary adjustments based on performance metrics and feedback received. By consistently following these steps, you can effectively recover from lost leads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.